How to track your orders on Flipkart. Hi everybody. In this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure to track orders. So to track orders, you can find the tracking number in your shipping confirmation email or order history on a retailer's website or app as well. So for the in case of Flipkart, you launch open the Flipkart app, go to the account section, and here you want to go to the order section. When you locate the order section, you then need to go ahead and select the particular item for which you want to track your order or track your order, whatever you want to do. Select that particular finding or particular order, and then you should be able to have the field where you could type in enter your tracking details. So if you've checked your email or your confirmation code, you should be able to receive your tracking ID as well. You go ahead and enter that in, and you'll have successfully placed or you'll have successfully tracked your order on Flipkart. So this is the way you could track your order. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.